And the children say he laughed and played just the same as you and me. Dumpity, look at Frosty. Over the hills of snow.
But the night before Christmas, all through the house, not a feature was stirring. The stockings all hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that something soon would show. The children were nestled all safe in their beds, while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads. And Mama in her kerchief and I and my cat had just settled down for a long winter's nap. There arose such a clatter, I sprang from my bed to see what was the matter. Away to the window I flew like a flash, tore open the shutters and threw up the sash. The moon on its way to the moon-fallen sky gave the luster of midday to objects below. But what to my wondering eyes should appear?
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Anna.
Sleigh and 8 tiny
I see that. What is that called?
With the little old driver so lively and quick, I knew in a moment it must be Saint
Sneezing?
Nick. More rapid than eagles his courses they came, as he whistled and shouted and called them by name. Now, Dasher.